Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to TEQ&MORE YouTube channel. My name is Jerry Ahmed, and on today's episode of TEQ&MORE, I'll be taking you through step-by-step tutorial on how to create Google Form from scratch using Microsoft Word, copying it to Google Sheet Online, and finally importing it to Google Form platform on the internet. Okay, let's do this together. Please, the first thing you do in this case is to make sure your document is intact and saved elsewhere, so you could have a duplicated copy, so you can always refer to it if there's anything wrong. Okay, the next thing is to make sure all spaces are closed. All spaces are closed. For example, I've got this title of document as quiz questions, so I take it off, and then there's this space between option B and C. I will delete all the spaces, and this, take it off. The reason why you're taking out these spaces is to avoid extra space, because each time you leave an empty space, that space is automatically detected as an option or a question, so you have problem when creating your form. Okay, I've taken out these spaces. The next thing to do is to select and copy out my answers. So I have this answer. Let me select all my answers out. I'm selecting out all these answers. Okay, my answers are selected. I want to color it to something else, so you can decide to use any color you want, or you can leave it darkened or boldened. So the next thing I will do after coloring my my answers, I copy them out, Ctrl C, and then I scroll down and tap down and paste my answers. Okay, these are my answers right now. My answers from 1 to 10 are here. Then I go up and select my questions and my options from 1 to 10. Select them and convert them to table. Okay, they are already selected now. Now I go to the menu bar up on my Microsoft Word. I click on Insert, and I click on this arrow beneath table. Click on it, then trace down to convert text to table. Click on that. Then this number of columns in this dialog box, you see the number of columns. You have 4 options and 1 question. So what you do, 4 options plus 1 option is 5. So you put 5 here. You put 5 in this column. So automatically, when you check out the row now, the rows are now 10. That is to show you that the total question we have here is 10. Then click your OK. Okay, I've clicked on OK, and my document has been converted to table. My document has been tabulated. So the next thing to do is, after question, the next column is option. So before the first column after question, you insert another row. 2 different rows, you insert them, 1, 2. Then the last option, after the last option, you also insert 2 rows, 1, 2. You can decide to leave these 2 rows empty. You can decide to leave them empty, or you write anything. Then these 2 last rows, one is for your answers, while the last one is just for number 1 all through. So now I'll go down to where I pasted my answers and select everything. I'll select everything. Okay, I've gotten my answer selected, and now I will copy it. Control C. Control C. Now that I've copied my answers, I will go to the second to the last row and then highlight from A to Z and paste. Control V. Control V. Now I've pasted my answers. Then this last row, I will type 1 all through. Type 1. Now I already typed 1. Let me copy and paste it all through. Highlight everything. Control V. So my answer and 1 has. So we are not done with this yet. We are just done with the first part, which is basically on this Microsoft, while the next part is that which we are to complete on the internet. So please subscribe to our channel and anticipate the next video that completes this. Thank you.